The universe is much stranger than we think. When we turn our eyes to the sky, we find not just stars, but also billions of different planets orbiting them. Some of these planets are completely unlike the Earth that we know. Worlds covered in lava, giant spheres of diamond, atmospheres where glass rains fall. Today, we'll introduce you to 10 extraordinary planets that will challenge your imagination and even astonish scientists. If you're ready, our journey to the most unusual worlds in space begins now. HD 189733. B. A world under a rain of glass. This distant planet, located 63 light-years away from our Earth, shines a brilliant deep blue in its sky. At first glance, it might appear to be quite similar to our own home planet. But don't be fooled. Because on this planet, glass particles rain down horizontally. Winds blowing at 7,000 kilometers per hour hurl glass in tiny pieces. Imagine, anyone trying to walk there would be riddled with millions of glass shards in seconds. This is one of the most dangerous blue beauties the universe offers us. 2. 55 Cancri A hellish world, completely covered in diamonds. This planet, 55 Cancri A, located 40 light-years away from Earth, is widely known as the Diamond Planet. That's because a very large portion of its entire structure is composed of carbon, and under such incredibly intense pressure, carbon naturally transforms into diamond. But it's not the paradise that you've imagined in your dreams. The temperature of this planet is well over 2,000 degrees Celsius. Its entire surface is covered with molten lava, like a constantly erupting furnace. Therefore, stepping foot upon its surface is simply not possible. But imagine, a planet entirely made of diamond, the size of our Earth. The universe offers us both beauty and danger in the very same package. 3. Kepler 16. B. A two-sun world. Do you remember Tatooine from Star Wars? Well, Kepler 16b is the real-life equivalent of that. This planet actually has two suns. So, the sunset there would have double shadows. Even though the probability of life might be low, binary star systems show us the universe's vast diversity. We, ourselves, have only one sun, but in the universe, there are planets orbiting not just double, but even triple stars. Kepler 16b proves that this dream is indeed real. 4. WASP 12b, the planet swallowed by its own star. WASP 12b is located approximately 1,400 light-years away from Earth, and it's so incredibly close to its star that it's under such a significant threat it could be destroyed within mere minutes. It's practically being devoured by its star. Even the planet's shape isn't normal. The star's gravity has stretched it into an elongated teardrop form. Scientists say this planet will completely vanish within a few million years, so a tragedy is unfolding before the universe's very eyes. 5. HD 9163b, the solitary and rebellious planet. This planet orbits so far away, it's practically on the verge of leaving its own galaxy. It's bound to its star, but only very weakly. That's why it behaves like a wandering world. Its size is 11 times that of Jupiter. If it were a star on its own, its brightness would adorn the sky. But right now, it wanders silently and alone at the universe's edge. We could call it a rebel giant. 6. GJ 1214b, the water world. GJ 1214b is located approximately 40 light-years away from Earth. This celestial body could potentially be a planet composed almost entirely of water. But when you imagine the water here, don't picture vast oceans. Under incredibly intense pressure, water transforms into completely different forms. It's a strange substance known as supercritical water, which is neither fully liquid nor entirely gas. Its atmosphere contains a very thick layer of water vapor. This planet is one of the most interesting places, making us consider the possibility of life existing in different forms throughout the universe. 7. WASP 17b, planet turning in reverse. WASP 17b is a planet that orbits in the opposite direction. This means it moves in an orbit completely opposite to its star's rotation. This is something that's physically very difficult to happen. It probably collided with another planet sometime in the past, and this peculiar orbit came into being. WASP 17b shows us that the rules governing the universe are not as strict as we had previously imagined. Kepler 438b, the exoplanet that is most similar to our own Earth. Kepler 438b is widely recognized as one of the most Earth-like planets discovered so far. Its physical size, its orbital distance from its parent star, and its estimated surface temperature all suggest that it might indeed be suitable for supporting some form of life. However, there is one very significant and critical problem. Its host star constantly emits powerful and extremely violent radiation storms. These storms make any potential life nearly impossible. So in a way, it's a place where the universe gives us hope, then takes it all back. 9. Tres 2b, the darkest planet in the universe. Tres 2b is the darkest planet known to exist. It absorbs 99% of the light that falls upon its surface. This means it's practically invisible. If you were to be near this planet, you most likely wouldn't be able to see anything at all. Just a faint silhouette appearing only in the star's light. Scientists don't exactly know the reason why it is so dark. It probably has strange gases in its atmosphere that absorb light. Tauri S2b represents the universe's darkness almost like a work of art. 10. Kepler 22b, potential habitable zone. Kepler 22b is 600 light-years away and located in the habitable zone. This means there's a possibility of liquid water on its surface. Its size is slightly larger than Earth. Scientists are currently trying to study this planet's atmosphere. If it's truly proven to have water, it will be a major turning point in the search for life in the universe. Perhaps it could be humanity's new home in the future. The universe is absolutely teeming with worlds that truly challenge our imagination. Planets where glass rains down, infernos paved with glittering diamonds, horizons that descend in skies with two suns. Every single new discovery constantly reminds us just how truly insignificant we are. But it also shows us something else. A planet like ours, perhaps, isn't the only one. Who knows? Maybe one day humanity will set foot on one of these peculiar worlds. But until that time comes, there's only one thing we must do: to look up at the sky and keep on unraveling the universe's many secrets.